welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a super easy and super yummy pasta dinner recipe. It's so good you can have it for dinner, you can have it for lunch, and you could probably even have it for breakfast. And maybe dessert. It's that good. The name of this recipe is creamy beef pasta. But first, I'm going to run to the store and grab some of the ingredients I need. I'm back from the store and now we're going to go over everything you need for today's recipe. Flour, olive oil, beef broth, tomato paste, lots of cheese, sharp cheddar, parsley, oregano, basil, heavy cream, salt, pasta, and beef. This is the ground beef that I'm using. The first step is to grab out a large skillet. In the skillet, we're going to heat 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we're going to turn it up to medium heat. Usually for this part, we might be adding some diced onions and sauteing them, but since my mom is allergic, we're going to skip that step.
Oh, that's so nice.
Now we're going to add our ground beef to the skillet. Make sure you wash your hands before this step and after handling the raw meat. Woo, perfect. Okay, I quickly had to wash my hands because I did touch the raw meat on accident a couple times, but now I'm just going to kind of chop it up, and once it gets a bit softer, just kind of chop it like this into a bunch of small pieces. And we're going to cook this until there's no pink left. Now that there is no more pink in this meat, we're going to drain the excess grease. Now that we have removed all the excess grease from this meat, it is back on the medium heat and we're going to add the salt, basil, oregano, and flour. First, we're going to add 4 teaspoons of salt. Next is 2 teaspoons of basil. Next is 2 teaspoons of oregano leaves. Now add a half cup of flour. We're going to cook this for 1 minute. Now we're going to add 2 cups of beef broth. Now we're going to add 2 28-ounce cans of tomato sauce. This one is actually 29 ounces, but I think it'll be okay. Before I add the second one, I'm just going to mix this a little bit. I'm thinking I might put a little bit of it in here, just to make the mixing a little bit easier and prevent spilling out the sides. I'm going to add the rest of the 28 ounces by using these little 6-ounce ones. Now we're going to bring this to a boil and let it simmer for 15 minutes. While this is boiling, we're going to start cooking our pasta. I'm using 2 pounds of rotini. The water for the pasta over here is almost boiling, so then we'll be able to add our pasta noodles. I switched the pasta to a little bit bigger of a pot because I remember that pasta, when you cook it, kind of doubles in size, so I have it in a bigger pot now. Looks like this pasta is about ready, and now we're going to drain it. Now that we have drained our pasta and it's still in the strainer, we're going to dump it in the sauce carefully. We're also going to put some in this one back here. You're welcome. Now we're going to add 2 cups of heavy cream. Now it's time for the cheese. We're gonna be adding 4 cups of sharp cheddar. Give it a good mix. I'm gonna add just a touch of parsley. Now it's ready to serve. It's time to give it a little taste test before I serve it to my family. It is so good. Now I'm going to serve up Owen some. It's so yummy. Thank you.
When I want to get ambassador,
Very yummy. I'm sure you'll love it.
I'm gonna
There
get
we go.
folks.
Let's get you a fork.
Ooh. You're the best sister ever.
There you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Yummy.
I'm so excited to eat this. It's
Okay guys, this recipe is seriously so good. I cannot stop eating it. I can guarantee if you guys make this for your family, they will absolutely love it. Make sure to tell me in the comments how it turned out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!